How to fix Shopify Your connection is not private is a common issue that many users encounter when trying to access their Shopify store. This error occurs when the browser is unable to verify the identity of the website, making it a security risk. To fix this issue, follow these steps. First, check the URL to ensure it is correct and the domain name is spelled correctly. Sometimes, a simple typo can cause this error. If the URL is correct, proceed to the next step. Clearing the browser cache can also resolve the issue. The cache stores temporary data that can sometimes cause conflicts with the website. To clear the cache, go to the browser settings and select the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to select the option to clear cache and cookies. Another possible cause of the error is an expired or missing SSL certificate. Shopify requires an SSL certificate to ensure a secure connection. If the certificate is expired or missing, the browser will display the Your connection is not private error. To fix this, log into the Shopify admin panel and go to the Settings section. Click on the SSL certificates option and follow the instructions to obtain or renew the certificate. Additionally, check the DNS settings to ensure they are configured correctly. Incorrect DNS settings can cause the browser to fail to verify the website identity. To check the DNS settings, log into the domain registrar and verify that the DNS records are pointing to the correct IP address. It is also important to ensure the browser is up to date, as outdated browsers may not support the latest security protocols. Update the browser to the latest version to ensure compatibility with the Shopify store. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Shopify support for further assistance. They can help troubleshoot the issue and provide additional guidance to resolve the problem. By following these steps, you can fix the Your connection is not private error and ensure a secure connection to your Shopify store. Remember to always prioritize security when working with e-commerce websites to protect customer data and prevent potential security risks.